Hello, my name is Jerry Stinson and I'm the Program Director for Administration of Justice here at Southwest Virginia Community College. I've been asked to tell you a little bit about our one-year certificate program in law enforcement. The one-year program is, as its name denotes, it's a program that's designed for you to complete in 2 semesters or 1 year. That's dependent on how long that you would want to go per day, i.e. how many classes you would want to take per semester. It's designed to basically take 16 hours one semester and 18 the next. We also offer a summer term in our courses, so if you wanted to spread it out over 3 semesters, it would truly take 365 calendar days over 1 year. In our program, we teach classes that are based in legal. Basically, it teaches you about the American criminal justice system, corrections, police, and the courts, with the ultimate goal of your graduation being eligible to hold certain jobs within the criminal justice field. A lot of these jobs you see every day. Some of them maybe you're not as familiar with. Some of the jobs that you would probably see day to day would be security officer, police officer, correctional officer. Some of the ones you may not see from day to day would be something like a bailiff or a court services worker, someone who works actually in probation or parole. In our program with one-year certificates, you would certainly be eligible for entry-level positions in these fields. As far as salary, what you could plan on as a salary, the salaries for security officer would start in the $7 to $10 an hour range. If you were hired on as a police officer, those salaries in southwestern Virginia would start at somewhere around $23,000 with about a $27,000 average. If you worked in corrections, working at a regional jail, a state penitentiary, their salaries are up around $30,000 per year right now. So for an entry-level work, an entry-level job, it's pretty good. As far as getting into this program, what you would need to think about, one, you would need to have very good communication skills. Part of our curriculum is English 101 and 102 or English 111 and 112, depending on the need of the student. In any criminal justice field, you have to be able to communicate the spoken and written word very well. Also, you need a basic knowledge of computers to go along with all the legal classes that we would provide in this particular department. If you are interested in looking at this as a student, what I would advise you to do is go ahead and start talking to your high school guidance counselor, and if you're more serious and you have some questions perhaps that they can't answer, then by all means contact the college. We have counselors here that would be glad to speak to you, or if you contact me here in my office by just calling the college switchboard, and they can direct you directly to me, or you can call me at 964-7203, and I'll be glad to speak to you by telephone, communicate with you by email, or certainly in person to get you started on a career.